Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to study how to enter data in SPSS. It's not difficult. It's very easy. We are in a variable view. Here we are going to enter our variables, and now we are in data view where we enter our values. It's the upper tab where we found various analyze data analysis and transformation tools. Now we are in variable view and we are going to enter different variables. For example, my study is related to environmental monitoring. It was Han River monitoring. So I'm just going to enter that data. So it's very simple, no need to worry about that. Okay. Now variable is showing that it contains an illegal character. Now I will tell you what space in variable name is an illegal character. So we are going to add underscore. Here it is. We are not going to change numeric data with decimal. We are only going to enter its label. Label was that different sampling points for our label, and we are going to add values. First one is upper string. Second one is middle string, and third one is low string. We did spelling check and then okay. No need to enter missing values because we don't have any. Now we are going to, because it is continuous variable, it is not a continuous variable, sorry. So we are going to change it in nominal, not ordinal, nominal. Okay. Now we are going to add our further parameters, that is the pH, environmental parameters, pH, EC, turbidity, total organic carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, whatever. So first fastly enter this data. Okay. Now I'm going to add its labels, and we are not going to change scale because it is continuous data. Normally two types of data is available, continuous and nominal or ordinal. So our data is normally two types, nominal and continuous. So now we are going to add and go to the data view and add different values. First I enter 3 sampling points. That is upper string. I am going to change the view of data. It's easy to add numbers rather than enter click or to enter is 3. Now so I'm going to add pH values. Now EC, I will just fastly enter the values. No need to worry. So it's really easy to enter the data. In the next video, we will learn how to analyze or transform data. So thank you very much for listening.